Hello everybody, I want to introduce you to SeeSaw. I'm starting here on the login page because you need to start with a login account, and you can pick just I'm a teacher and you're going to get the basic account this way. Enter your email or sign in with Google. Some districts will have you sign in through Clever or whatever if that's the case. I've already set up my account, but I want to show you how you would do so. So it's going to first start off with you creating a class. So here you're going to name your class, and you're also going to pick the grade level that you're teaching. After that, we're going to explore a little bit. Now, on your screen, you're going to see a video that you could watch, which would be a wonderful way to introduce you to some of the features I'm not showing you on SeeSaw at this moment. But what I want to show you is our library. Our library is where we get all of our activities or our lessons. And these are already pre-made by the content creators at SeeSaw and also districts. If you're lucky enough to connect into somebody's district, then you're able to save those lessons into your own library, and I'm going to show you that right here. So SeeSaw Lessons is right here, which you can see if you clicked, it would give you some themed lessons for this month addressing that. And if you click over to this next one, the community would be where you would get all different types of things. Now these are all content creators, not necessarily from your district, but other contributors to SeeSaw. And so I'm going to go into my library, and I've already preloaded it with a few lessons here. And we're going to work with the lessons 3 shapes, create with shapes. And what I want to show you is that there's an introduction to a whole class experience that you can set out for your students to view. And then also the ability to preview the assignment that you're giving the students, see the instructions that's been created, where it tells them exactly what they're going to be doing with each part of the assignment. So right now I'm going to go back to the lessons, and what I want to show you is down in the practice, I want to hit these 3 dots, and it says edit activity. And what's incredible about SeeSaw is SeeSaw allows you to edit each lesson so that you have complete control over what your students are doing and learning in each lesson. For instance, I can save it where I have 2 hexagons, just for an example at this moment. And when they now look at the template, you will see, and I open it and I hit save, I'm going to close this out, and you can see in my assigned lessons that this is not here. Where did my template go? So what you do is you go to add, and you're going to assign an activity. And we're going to find that lesson now that I just created, which is right here, and I'm going to hit assign. And that's how I'm going to assign it to the whole class. Now, what's another wonderful feature about SeeSaw is that you can edit the students that are going to get it. So I can just send this to Penny. And so we're going to send that to Penny right now. And you can see that it says to edit to 1 student, and I'm going to click the big green check, and I'm going to assign to my class. Now, I'm going to hit the X to get out, and I'm going to come over, and again, you see this, and it says assign to Penny. So you can see who's going to be there. And what's incredible is that Penny now can open that up, view my instructions, hear my instructions if I've left that, and work with the shapes. The other thing, and this is part of the paid thing that you'll find out, is that there's a progress tracker. So you'll see who's done the lesson and who hasn't. I can't wait for you to explore SeeSaw and learn more about it. I'd love to hear your comments on it. Thank you for visiting with me, and have a great day.